Have you ever wondered what all right really means in English? It's a very common and useful phrase. All right means something is acceptable or satisfactory. It can also mean okay or fine. Many learners confuse all right with all right. All right is correct in formal writing and speech, while all right is less formal and sometimes considered incorrect. We often say, "Is everything all right?" "Are you all right?" Or "That's all right" to show agreement or acceptance. She said the movie was all right. Is the plan all right for you? Don't worry, everything will be all right. Are you all right after the fall? Tom was nervous about his exam. After it finished, he felt all right. He knew he did his best, and that was enough. Think of all right as all parts working right, everything is okay and in place. This can help you remember it means acceptable or fine. Remember, all right means okay or acceptable. Try using it today and see how easy it is.